What's up, IED? It's Fagan. All right, so you are rolling into week 5 here, April 27th, and I am recording this early, of course, but I want to tell you what's coming up this week. All right, so our essential question for week 5 is, how do I match up my cam/followers, that setup, with the visual story I want my automaton to tell? Okay, so how do you get those things in line? What's the design of your cam and follower going to do as far as helping you tell a story with your automaton toy? Okay, our comprehension check questions. Make sure you check this. Let's see, details for the answers for last week's. We've got some new ones for this week. Let's check out what those are. They are true or false. To edit one part/component of an assembly you're working on in Fusion, this is the correct workflow. Delete part from the assembly, change the file and save it, reinsert it into your assembly. All right, so that's true or false, you tell me. And the next true or false is Autodesk informs you when a change is made to one component of a larger assembly and that the current assembly should be updated. All right, so are those true or false? You tell me in the comments of today's Google Classroom post. All right. So back to your tasks for this week. You edited your automaton assembly, right? I hope you did. It should look something like this if you have, or at least this is one way it could look. All right. So if you check this out, I edited mine to have 3 followers. All right, and I've got 3 cams in here, and I've actually put them at offset angles to give the appearance of flying to the dragon that I'm going to create over this. All right. And these videos on how to put together an automaton are all in a playlist that I've prepared for you in our Google Classroom materials, all right? But let me just show you something really cool that I want you to check out. So I'm going to turn off the box visibility so we can see this a little better. And if we come over here, so this is my Revolution 7 joint, right? I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to say Animate Model, and check out what happens. All right, check it out. And so you can see now what it will look like once I get that automaton going. And this is pretty much exactly what I want. I want there to be kind of a wave-like formation here. So it goes up here in the middle, starts to go down, up in the middle, and then up at the end. All right, so that's pretty cool. When you animate model, it lets you do something like that. You just hit escape to end it. But the next thing, so that's what you should have done last week, all right? Like edited your automaton to have the cams or followers that you want, all right? And I want that gradual rise and fall. That's why I chose this cam, the eccentric cam, all right? So this week, you are actually designing the decorations for the top of your follower, okay? So I'm doing a dragon. So let me show you. Here is one of at least 6 links the dragon will have, okay? And what's cool about this is on the bottom, there's a hole for fitting it onto one of these followers, and it's the same size. This is 0.5 inches across. Might have to double check that. If not, it's an easy fix on here. This should also be, I think it's 0.25 actually, and then this is 0.25, okay? And then I made it, deep enough in there so that hopefully it won't actually accidentally come off or anything like that. Wow, I cannot talk today. But the other thing I've got going on here is, you see these little guys here? These are tabs to connect piece to piece. And there's holes on this side, and then there's these protrusions on the other side. And so the idea is, if this is plastic, these will actually bend and snap into the following links, right? So this is just one link. I'm going to have a few others. Of course, there's going to be a head at the one end, and there's going to be a tail at the other end. And I might throw some arms on there. Maybe it'll be an armless dragon. I don't know. But that is what I want you guys to be working on this week. If you want more info on this, let me know. But the things I want you to check out that will be helpful for you as far as getting ideas are Thingiverse, okay? So lots of cool ideas in here. And as far as like automatas that you could create. And also, this video right here, all right? It's got 9 alternatives of Thingiverse. So just different websites where you can get ideas. Or you may even be able to pull files in from some of these places, all right? And I wouldn't discourage that, all right? If you want to use someone else's files and you can get them from them, awesome, All right. So let me know if you have questions. Hope you guys have fun this week. Peace.